Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the iPhone and eject the SIM tray so no pressure affects internals. Once done, apply a warm cloth at 60-70 degrees C for about 30 seconds to soften adhesive, not scalding. Use a thin plastic pick or guitar pick at a corner. Insert just under the glass and lift slowly. You want a gap of 1 to 2 millimeters before proceeding. This creates leverage and prevents sudden cracking, so take it steady and controlled. Now you continue by sliding the pick around the edge in small 5 to 10 millimeter moves, keeping even pressure as you go. You should hear soft adhesive releasing. If you feel strong resistance, stop and reheat that spot with the warm cloth or a hairdryer briefly. Make sure not to overheat. Do not use metal tools or twist sharply, because glass can shatter. Instead, lift incrementally and rotate the pick so the adhesive peels away slowly and predictably. Finish by lifting the glass from one side once the perimeter adhesive has released. Use 2 picks if needed and avoid pulling from the center, which can stress the screen. Once removed, clean residual adhesive with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth, wiping gently until surface is clear. If the glass cracks or you see flakes fall inside, stop and power off immediately. That prevents short circuits. If problems persist, seek professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.